My name is Higgs and this is my friend Bozan. Welcome to the Higgs world.
Thanks for the introduction, Higgs. In this presentation, our goal is to offer you a quick summary of the research and conclusions. We follow inquiry-based learning model where students take lead in learning.
First, they get a quick review of the research via the videos. Second, they review the paper to learn and understand key concepts. Finally, they can follow up with further research on their own to dig deeper. In the end, students would have learned something new, latest and relevant. Isn't that wonderful, Bozan?
Great point, Higgs. Please follow the links to review the research in further details. We want to thank all the authors and publishers for making this research public, thereby advancing science and innovation. Please like, share and subscribe.
Today, we are reviewing a paper titled, Smart Apiculture Management Services for Developing Countries, the case of SAMS project in Ethiopia and Indonesia. Pollination through insects is basic to agricultural and horticultural plants. It has been estimated that 66% of the world's crop species are pollinated by a diverse spectrum of pollinators, including the polylectic honeybee. The symbiosis of pollinated species and pollinators is in a sensitive balance, and the reduction and loss of either will affect the survival of both. It is estimated proper hive management lowers the risk of colony collapse disorder and colony losses. To facilitate the hive management procedure, the implementation of smart apiary management services is believed to be the future.
That is wonderful information, Higgs. Beekeeping with small-scale operations provides suitable innovation labs for the demonstration and dissemination of cost-effective and easy-to-use open-source ICT applications in developing countries. Smart Apiculture Management Services or SAMS, allows active monitoring and remote sensing of bee colonies and beekeeping by developing an ICT solution supporting the management of bee health and bee productivity, as well as a role model for effective international cooperation. A combined biological, sociological, and technical approach is made within the SAMS project. The SAMS project focuses on beekeeping in Ethiopia and Indonesia, and in those countries a huge beekeeping potential is recognized but not unlocked yet.
That is so intriguing, Bozan. The aim of this paper is to give an overview of the SAMS project and present ideas and concepts that have been developed considering the needs and requirements of beekeepers, business facilitators, researchers and other stakeholders. The SAMS project developed an open-source information and communication technology that allows active monitoring and managing of bee colonies to ensure bee health and bee productivity.
Continuous monitoring of variables associated with honeybee colonies, including weight changes, temperature, humidity, acoustics, activity at entrance for detection of different bee colony states like swarming, broodless stage, and others becomes feasible for most practical applications. Main results of the SAMS project are: firstly, a manual for the SAMS monitoring beehive model, that is locally produced and adapted to local conditions, including integrated open-source sensor and information transition technology, as well as an energy supply solution. Secondly, the SAMS data warehouse which can be individually adapted. Thirdly, a decision support system interface that can combine the sensor-based data outputs with other information sources and predictive models to measure, analyze and describe different states of the bee colony such as health, vitality and production.
Great point, Bozan. And fourthly, the SAMS Wiki which provides knowledge on beekeeping in Ethiopia and Indonesia but also for other regions. Finally, 54 SAMS business models for greater income opportunities and related upscaling potential. That was an interesting paper providing overview of how technology can be used to improve beehive management. Hope you liked it. Please follow the links to review the research in further details. Please like, share and subscribe.